Being comfortable in your home shouldn't be something that you hope is the case. It should be the case. And at Donald P. Dick Air Conditioning, we make sure that you are comfortable year-round. Whether you're needing expert residential or commercial air conditioning, or heating repairs, maintenance, or installation, or you're needing solar units installed or help with your indoor air quality, we can help. And when you work with us, you're working with a company that performs NATE and BPI-certified services, is committed to the highest standard of honesty and dedication, and will help you find the right solution. So whether you need an AC unit, zone control, a heat pump, or a thermostat, we are here to do it all from start to finish. And we even offer a 10-year parts and labor warranty for your peace of mind. Call Donald P. Dick Air Conditioning today at 559-860-0051 or visit us online at www.mrcool4ac.com.